I'm confused. What the fuck? Where the hell is he? Watch it. It's supposed to be on, like, by the bridge or on the bridge. I don't see shit.
Hey. Right there.
Huh?
Cans right there.
Cans?
Cans.
Right where?
Come here, come here, come here, come here.
What the fuck do you mean?
Oh, that's the guy with the can. Really, right there.
What the fuck is this shit?
Right there. Between the trees right here.
Right, that's all, like on their spawn.
That's because they got it back. You see the cans, right? No, he just came back with them. Which means they killed our guy. It's right there, see him?
Alright, so their spawn's the field house now. I think that's one of their spawns. Alright, spread out. Spread out. Because he's going to come up. So keep your eyes on those cans. We'll just camp them. See anyone? Okay. Yeah, I see him. I think these guys are alive. They're alive. They're alive, Jack. Alright, someone's alive in there. Hit. Yep. This one's dead, let her out! Crossing.
Oh, Jack is gone. Jack is in engagement.
Yeah, I know. Taking fire from the back. You red or blue? Antanga's on the back. He just moved right.
Yeah.
So we got another one around here somewhere. Ow! I didn't hit you?
Nope.
Bullshit. Hit!
Did I get you?
Yeah, you got me in the neck. I'm hit! Let me out! Shit. So where do I spawn now?
Go back to the house. Where we started, where we just came from.
I thought when y'all got the boxes, no, when we got the boxes, we had to spawn across the field. Right?